Hey there, this is Troy Trelevin from Make Sales Faster, and today I'm reviewing a product called What's My Rank. And before I tell you much about it, if you do us a solid, click on the subscribe button at this YouTube video and like this video. Even give us a nice comment underneath. Well, we certainly appreciate it. And we want to be able to give you really good information about products that could help your business. Today, we want to talk to you about What's My Rank. And you know our overall goal is to make sales and make sales faster. So if you are looking to keep a website ranked high or several websites ranked high, this is a product that will help you do that. And in fact, there's opportunities for you to actually make money with this product that I'll tell you about in just a little bit. So it's called What's My Rank, and it's a new product that's just coming out. There's a great sale if you get it in the next 4 days, and this is going to be released on the 5th of October, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's only available till Friday. So if you want this product at a good price, I recommend you grab it now. And to give you more incentive to buy this product, which is $22, I have some bonuses that I want to tell you about that even if this product isn't what it's cracked up to be, which I believe it really is. It's pretty simple, straightforward, does its job, but there's some extra bonuses here that are going to make this an even sweeter deal for you. So I'm going to tell you more about What's My Rank in just a minute. But if you like what you're about to hear, you can just go down to the link, bonus crate link that's in the description of this video, and click that link and you'll go through to the page you're looking at now, Troy's Terrific Bonus Bundle, and you'll be able to get my bonuses I'll tell you about right now. Bonus number 1 is a done-for-you website. Now, odds are good if you're looking to rank a website, you already have one, but you might want another, and you might want it for free, or you might want several. We're going to give you one for free as a result of buying this product. So you can get the domain you want, you can get some customization on it, but that's only for the next 72 hours. So from the time you're seeing this, you have a 72-hour window to grab this product, and you'll get this bonus. Second bonus you'll get is hosting. It's no good having a website if you don't have hosting, so we're going to give you free website hosting for 1 year. Now, if you already have a website and you want free hosting, we will get you that as well, so that is a bonus. You can save yourself hundreds of dollars in the year by just this one bonus alone. So for a $22 product where you're going to get a great product, you can get your hosting for free. Next bonus is a product and a service system training tool called Copywriting Genius. Copywriting Genius is a product I created. It shows you how to make money by finding motivated sellers who are trying to sell big ticket items. And those could be houses, they could be cars, it could be motorhomes, any kind of big ticket item, and smaller ticket, but we focus on big ticket. You can make in the hundreds of dollars a week, a month, into the thousands if you follow the system. And more than that, it shows you a very cool hack how you can do copywriting right away. So copywriting is that ad copy that makes something very appealing when you read about it or you see it in a video. Well, Copywriting Genius shows you how to hack that and become a great copywriter yourself. But you don't need any skills to start making money with Copywriting Genius. So that comes with that. It's a free bonus you won't get anywhere else. Next bonus is Bing ads, a hack on how you can set up Bing ads, which are an often neglected opportunity. If you're going to get traffic to your website, you could certainly use Google Ads, you can use all sorts of methods, but why not Bing ads? We're going to show you how to make money how to get traffic to your website at a very low price using Bing ads. So you'll enjoy that hack. The next bonus is how to get 90% off your AdWords spend. So if you're spending any money on AdWords like Google AdWords or Bing, we're going to show you a hack on how to get 90% off that, which is going to allow you to get lots of traffic. Now, it is paid traffic, but it's highly discounted traffic. And I gotta say, paid traffic is superior to free traffic in almost every case I've ever seen. And so this is going to show you how to speed up the traffic, and you're going to be able to use the tool of what's your rank to tell you how that's going, how your keywords are resonating. And so you'll be able to combine these two products together to really get your website on rocket fuel. So if you like, I got one more bonus for you. This is called Free Traffic Frenzy. It's getting Reddit traffic. And Reddit traffic, if you do it right, can be tremendous. And they're typically hardcore types that are on Reddit. So if you can get them to your website, you've got a really good chance of getting sales or business, whatever you want from your website. And so you'll enjoy this free bonus. And that comes, again, with just a simple purchase of What's My Rank, right? So click any of these orange and black buttons to get access to this page you're looking at. And you do that first. First, go down to the link. It says bonus crate. It's got a bunch of numbers and a letter. Underneath this video, click it. You come to this page. Click any of these orange and black buttons. You're going to get some options, other things you can potentially buy. You don't have to buy any of them. But let's say you buy the $22 version of What's My Rank. When you get to your final purchase, once you've made all those steps done, you'll get a receipt from Warrior Plus. And on the green button, you'll see on your receipt, that's how you get your product, What's My Rank. The blue button is how to get all your bonuses. Because people often ask me, where do I get my bonuses? Well, they're on that receipt, and it's the blue button. So all those bonuses we just looked at, you get them from that blue button. All right, so let's talk about what is What's My Rank. It's 100% automated software. It's WordPress. So it goes on your WordPress site, and it's a plugin. And so you're able to key into this What's My Rank, your keywords that you want to rank for. Now, on the basic version, you can use up to 50 keywords. On more advanced versions, you can use in the hundreds plus, right? So I do want to point you to this video here by Anchor. He will show you how the product works. It's a quick 2-minute video, but you can check out this before you finally go ahead if you'd like. Get his view on how it connects into your WordPress. I recommend that. So with this plugin, you just type in where you want it to be found. You type in the keywords that you want. It's going to let you know how your site is ranking, and it's going to do it every day. So you're going to know, are the keywords that I'm ranking for working or not? So you're able to make adjustments. Now that's for your own website, and that can be multiple of your websites. So you can use this on multiple websites. Now, if you want to use this, let's say, as a way to make money as a business, you could build it in as part of a package. Let's say you want to help people with their search engine rankings. Well, this could be one of the tools in your arsenal. You'll pay for this once, and you'll use this over and over and over again. And so that's a way that you can make some money. Let's say you want to go to, I don't know, let's go to something like Fiverr. Let me see if I got a Fiverr. You can go to Fiverr and just type in website ranking analytics, and you'll see all these gigs available that are showing or will help people rank on Google. Well, you're going to have a key tool that is going to help you help people rank. They'll pay you $33, $13, $112. Now, to do other services as well, but this is one tool that's going to help you be in a great position to take advantage of all this traffic that goes on here. These are very popular sites on Fiverr, offerings or gigs on Fiverr that you could take advantage of. You could also do this on Upwork, lots of places you could do it. Okay, so let's look at the upsells, because sometimes if you want to make this a business, you're going to want one or two of these upsells, maybe all of them. So the front end, you get a multi-site license. So you can use this 10 websites at least, perhaps more. Then there's an unlimited upgrade for $32. So if you want to get an unlimited version, so unlimited sites, unlimited keywords, then there's a pro upgrade. So if you want to use this as a pro, you'll see as you go through the sales page, information, consider that $37. The pro upgrade might be for you if you want to turn this into a business. Then there's a special product called Tag Machine 2.0. This will help you rank and tag And so if you're, again, building this as an SEO or helping other people build their business, you're going to want this upgrade for only $27. An agency license allows you to do business with multiple people, websites, and you can operate as an agency for $47. You can get that license. So again, if you want to make it a business, grab that one. Traffic for you for $67, you can get 10,000 visitors to your websites, and that's a tremendous value. You think about just getting a solo ad and a certain number of clicks, you're going to pay way more than that to just get say 200 clicks on a solo ad, which would cost you at least $100 plus. So for $67, you can get 10,000 visitors to your site. So if you have a product you're promoting, you can go ahead and get this, and you'll get all those visitors for free. That's Anchor is providing that as an upsell. And then finally, the reseller license. If you like all of how this product sounds, you think other people would like it, why not resell it yourself? And you get all these commissions. You'll get the 22, the 32, the 37, the 27, 40, etc., all the way through every time somebody buys any level of these products. So consider that if you want to resell this product. You could just buy this reseller license for $97. Let's say you make 2 sales. You're going to be able to recoup your money if people just get a couple of these upsells, 2 or 3 of these upsells, let's say 4 of them, to make it happen. Again, because of this software, you're going to be able to rank for people that are looking for ranking software, right? So if you see all the potential here, this is a really great value for you. So I encourage you to grab What's My Rank. Again, in the YouTube video that you're watching just below, there's in the description, click the link, you'll come through to this page. And once you click any of these buttons, if you click that button, you'll go right through to the sales page. You'll see that now. And on this page, you can get more information, but grab your copy here. And I am so excited for what you're going to be able to do. By the way, one thing I didn't mention is that on one dashboard, you're instantly able to see your rankings. Now, you could buy some expensive software that you pay for monthly to do the same thing as this software will do when you pay for it once for $22. So tremendous value all around. Ankur Shukla knows his stuff. So buy this and look forward to seeing all the success you get and helping you make sales faster. All the best.